Hey everyone, tired of the 9-to-5 grind? What if I told you that you could make $2,000 to $6,000 per month or even more walking dogs and cats in your neighborhood? No fancy degree needed, low startup costs, and you get paid to stay active outdoors with adorable pets. I'm Max, and thousands of people are quietly building six-figure pet walking businesses. Today, I'll show you exactly how to start, get customers, overcome the awkwardness, and make it work part-time. Stick around. This could be your ticket to freedom. America has over 90 million dogs and millions of cats. Busy professionals, remote workers, and elderly pet owners all need reliable walkers. The industry is booming. People pay $20, $40 for a 30-minute walk, and premium areas charge even more. You can start solo today and scale later. First question, where do you find clients? Top ways that actually work. Next door and local Facebook groups. Post, reliable dog walker available in your area. Bonded, insured, daily updates with photos. Flyers and door hangers in upscale neighborhoods, apartments, and vet clinics. Google My Business plus website. Simple one-page site with photos and testimonials. Rover, Wag, or Thumbtack apps. Great for starting fast and building reviews. Referrals. Offer $10 to $20 off for every new client a current customer refers. Network with local vets, groomers, pet stores, and apartment complexes. Start with your own network. Friends, family, co-workers. Your first 5 to 10 clients will come from word of mouth. Keep it simple and professional. Walk up with confidence or message them. Hi, I noticed you have a beautiful dog breed. I'm a local pet walker who provides daily exercise and care. Would you like a free meet and greet to see if we're a good fit? Always offer a free meet and greet. Bring treats, show your insurance, references, and pet CPR certification. Ask about the pet's routine, behavior, and needs. People trust professionals who listen and care. How to overcome your own embarrassment, shyness. A lot of people feel shy or embarrassed starting this. What will neighbors think? Walking dogs is not a real job. Here's the truth. This is a real, respected business. Many walkers earn more than office jobs while being their own boss. Tips to kill the shame. Start small. Walk for friends first to build confidence. Wear a professional branded shirt and use a business name. Remember, pet owners respect you for keeping their furry family happy and healthy. Focus on the freedom. You set your schedule, stay fit, and get paid in joy. Plus cash. Track your first earnings. Seeing money come in destroys doubt fast. Most successful walkers felt awkward at the beginning. Push through the first 2 weeks. The momentum takes over. Real numbers for the USA. Average 30-minute walk, $25 to $35. Higher in big cities. One solo operator went from $0 to $9K month in 7 months. Add pet sitting, overnights, or group walks to boost income. After expenses, gas, treats, insurance, 20 to 30%, the profit is excellent. You don't need to quit your job. Walk mornings before work or evenings. Focus on 2 to 3 neighborhoods close to home to save time. Use apps for quick gigs while building regulars. Schedule 3 to 4 days a week. Many people start with 8 to 12 walks last week and grow naturally. Tools, pet sitting software for scheduling, GPS tracking apps, and simple liability insurance, $200 to $400 a year. Start today. Get insured, create a simple profile on Nextdoor to Rover, and reach out to 10 potential clients this week. Comment Pet Walk below, and I'll send you a free starter checklist. Like, subscribe, and share if this inspired you. You've got this. Your future clients and their pets are waiting. See you in the next one. Walk on.